Fire danger is dangerous today across South Australia, Victoria, and Tasmania. What we're thinking is when fires start, they'll quickly become very big, explosive fire development out of control, and it's because we have these very hot northerly winds increasing ahead of a cool change which is sweeping the southeast during the afternoon, and it's during the time of peak heating as well, so it makes it likely that we're going to see a fire during that period. And then because of that, when that cold change comes through, that fire will start burning first from the north to the south, and when the wind change comes, it'll start blowing in a different direction. Now, dry vegetation as well across this whole region of South Australia, most of Western Victoria, and a large part of Tasmania. We've had emergency warnings already issued a few days ago when the weather conditions were indicative of fires not spreading very much, but the vegetation is so dry that the fires can quickly become out of control. Not a lot of rain in these areas over the last week as well. Most of the rain constrained to the tropics, and you can see that as that cold front comes through, those northerly winds increasing, and as such, catastrophic fire danger for the upper and lower southeast districts, as well as the Mount Lofty ranges, with severe fire danger in Adelaide. That's the worst fire danger Adelaide's seen in about 2 years. Now, it's a total fire ban in effect right throughout South Australia, right throughout Victoria, and for much of Tasmania. Now, in Victoria, we have extreme fire danger, and that's for the Central District, the Southwest, and the Mallee and the Wimmera region. Now, these conditions, again, fires will become out of control, and in catastrophic fire danger, if there's a fire threatening property or your home or anything like that, then the safest option is to leave. It's very hard to defend properties in these sort of weather conditions. Thankfully, it's only a day of this sort of conditions and heat. It's going to be busted out during the afternoon and evening. Those temperatures will plummet as a result, about 10, maybe even 20 degrees for some places in Victoria. And by the time we get to Sunday, the fire danger has shifted into New South Wales. That's where we're going to see an area of severe fire danger for the greater Sydney region. But the Hunter region could also have severe fire danger at some point during the day. Right now, it's very high. Meanwhile, the West Coast having severe fire danger. You can see the Gascoyne region. And then as we get into the start of the working week, the winds become a little bit more lighter. It gets a bit more humid across the east, and as such, fire danger gets tempered. But for the west, we should still see areas of severe fire danger continue into the working week.